Let me ask you a question really quick. Do you care about giving your phone the best protection possible while still maintaining the slimness of the phone, protecting your rear cameras, and still being able to use MagSafe accessories? If you answered yes to any of those questions, you are going to absolutely love this case. Now, I've done a lot of videos on supcase's cases, and one of my favorites to give your phone the max protection is the UB Pro. But as you can see, it comes at a slight cost of making the phone a little bit thicker. But now that we have the Mag XT, that solves pretty much all those problems. Let me show you what I mean. So here we have the Mag XT case. As you can see on the back, it does still have that MagSafe ring, so you can use all of your MagSafe accessories without having to take the case off the phone. We also have this really cool metal camera cover, and we'll get to that in just a second. The back is a nice kind of matte plastic. It's also surrounded by this really protective rubbery material that will not get flimsy over time. Now, if we look at how slim the case is, as you can see, it's not much thicker than the phone itself. We got some carbon fiber inlays on the corners here. We have our power button, and we also have some little ridges on the edge for grip. If we look at the other side, again, we have those same inlays with the grip, and we have our volume rockers, which are separated. And if you know, I absolutely love that. On the inside of this case, it's got a nice kind of suede material to keep your phone nice and scratch free, as well as that camera cover. And if we look at the edges, you can see there's reinforcements. So in case you happen to drop your phone, you know that your phone is going to be protected. Now, how many of you, whenever you go to take pictures with your phone, you end up wiping off the camera lenses before you take pictures because you have smudges or fingerprints all over them? I know I'm definitely guilty of that. But when you're using this case, you no longer have to worry about that ever. So let's put our phone inside the case here. It very easily just presses right into place, just like that. Feels very nice in the hands. Buttons, nice and clicky, very easily accessible. And as you can see, it protrudes just a little bit right off the edges of the case, but you can still easily find them, and they're very, very clicky. Again, we have our volume rockers with the little mute button in the corner there. And on the bottom, we have our cutouts for our speakers, our microphone, and our charging port. Now, like I mentioned before, we do have a all aluminum cover for our camera lenses. And the other really nice thing is that it doubles as a stand for your case. So you can easily lay your phone down in landscape, or you can also lay it down kind of in portrait, kind of aiming towards up you, or if you flip your phone upside down, it can stand more upright into a portrait position. Now, like I mentioned before, you no longer have to worry about fingerprints all over your camera because when you're done, you can simply close the cover and your cameras are protected. Another really nice thing is that I have camera protectors on my phone, and this little cover still totally covers the phone. Presses right into place. As you can see, it's got a nice raised edge to protect your camera lenses, even if this cover is open. So if you do happen to have camera covers on there like I do, it still works with this case. So when you open up the cover, again, you no longer have to worry about fingerprints or wiping down the camera lenses ever. And I absolutely love that it doubles as a little stand for your phone. And like I mentioned before, you can still use all your MagSafe accessories. Here I have a power bank. You simply clip it onto the back and it starts to charge your phone. This case also comes with a really nice belt clip that you can simply place your phone in, clip it into place, and then you can clip it onto your belt. It also has a rotating clip, 360 degrees. That's pretty nice. Now, in case you're wondering, I also have a tempered glass screen protector on the front of my phone. And as you can see, there's no lifting. Everything fits perfectly in place. So if you want to protect your screen with a screen protector, it should work with this case as well. And if we look at the side here, as you can see, it does have a slight raised edge all the way around the phone screen. But again, I also have that screen protector on here as well. That's why I absolutely love supcase's cases, because they're always trying to innovate and make their cases better and add more functionality. And I also have this case in their ruddy red. Absolutely amazing. I love the button accents on the side. That is super cool. Looks really nice. It's got that metallic look. I would absolutely love to see this black case with some accented buttons as well. Maybe some orange buttons would look really cool. What do you guys think? What accent colors do you guys think would go well, or would you want to see with this black case? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you guys want to pick this case up yourself, I will be putting product links in the video description. And if you guys like this video and you found it helpful, it would really help my channel out if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. And I definitely recommend you checking out my best and worst cases video for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, because it's pretty much your one-stop shop for a ton of different cases. Thank you guys for all your support. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.